The historic Norra Latin building had served as a school for over 100 years when it was converted into a conference center in the 1980s. Now, the owner Bonfast has once again renovated the building to serve as the new premises for Stockholm International School. Getting a historic building to function for a modern activity is no simple task and places high demands on operation and maintenance. With the help of Forklift, the management of both new and existing buildings can be streamlined through the use of structured digital data, easily accessible to everyone who needs it. Forklift is built on three powerful pillars: ISO 19650, co-class, and artificial intelligence. These pillars work together to link every stage of the construction and asset lifecycle, from early planning through design and construction, all the way to operation, maintenance, and beyond. The result? A seamless, intelligent flow of structured information supporting better decisions, higher quality, and long-term value. Although much of the renovation planning for Norra Latin was carried out using digital tools, the documentation handed over to the facility managers consisted of unstructured documents, where trying to find relevant information is like looking for a needle in a haystack. The solution to this challenge is to create structured and digital data. We do this by building a virtual building in Forklift where all spaces and building components become standardized objects with unique identities. This is done through a simple and intuitive user interface in any web browser. In Forklift, two parallel structures are built: a physical structure, which contains detailed information about the different systems, and a spatial structure, which represents all rooms and spaces in the building. With these two structures, we can simultaneously see what system a component belongs to and where it's located in the building. In this example, we see that this particular heating panel belongs to the heating system and is located in room number 519. Objects are furthermore enriched with standardized co-class properties. By putting rich properties on standardized objects, facility managers no longer need to find information by searching through technical specifications, product data sheets, and maintenance manuals. Instead, information is gathered in digital format in one agreed upon place. The process of putting properties on objects can also be sped up by using Forklift's AI that suggests properties based on document input. Forklift also integrates CAD models through its own model viewer. By attaching information to uniquely identified objects, it's easy to create a link between the information and the model. This can be seen by clicking any component in the model, which instantly shows us properties that come from Forklift. The link between Forklift and the model also allows us to filter by any property that exists in the classification. For instance, we can use our filter tool to get all Swagon silencers on the first floor with an airflow between 10 and 30 liters per second. We can also use AI filtering. Here we ask the AI to find all radiators in room 141 with an energy capacity under 2000 watts. The facility manager can then easily update information directly from the model viewer after performing various operations. AI can also be used to obtain and analyze information in Forklift. Here we let the AI create an analysis of the ventilation system in a commercial kitchen, including all associated components. When maintenance inspections or service actions are being planned, it's easy to pose questions directly to the AI. Here we ask which components in the ventilation system require recurring maintenance and how often. In just a few seconds, we receive a clear and structured response containing all relevant details. We then test a more long-term inquiry. What does a complete 5-year maintenance plan for the ventilation system look like? The result? A well-organized maintenance plan ready for immediate implementation. AI demonstrates its real strength when it comes to complex and predictive analysis, the kind that can be challenging even for experienced property managers. For instance, what's the annual maintenance cost of the ventilation system broken down by component type? The outcome is a detailed and reliable cost overview, often more accurate than what we could estimate ourselves. Forklift also gives facility managers the capability to export data back to formats that they're used to. In this instance, we've detected a pressure drop in the silencers on floor 5. After having had the AI locate the silencers and analyze the potential cause of pressure drop, we easily create an Excel report where we specify the properties that we're interested in. The file is generated in seconds and is ready to be used, shared, or analyzed further. With structured data, it also becomes possible to build dashboards tailored to each stakeholder's needs. These dashboards are directly linked to the properties of classified objects, allowing information to be aggregated, calculated, and explored in many ways, from tracking usage to monitoring environmental and economic impact and much more. Stakeholders now have a clear, real-time understanding of where their project is at. Through the use of Forklift, the Norra Latin building has become a truly digital twin with a structured asset information model, ready for smarter operation and maintenance. But digitalization is more than just innovation. It's about measurable results. If the owner Bondfast were to apply the same digital approach to its entire portfolio of 26 buildings and 150,000 square meters of managed area, we predict the estimated impact would be 670,000 euros saved annually on property management, 1.25 million euros saved on operational costs, and a full 1.8 million euros saved in maintenance savings. That's a total annual saving of over 3.7 million euros and nearly 25% reduction in total life cycle costs. This projection isn't just guesswork, it's based on document findings. According to Boverket, Sweden's national authority on construction, inefficiencies, errors, and poor information handling cost the industry up to 11 billion euros each year. And in a study by Svensk Byggindustri, 290 facility managers stated that up to 15% of management costs could be saved with better communication and structured data. By using Forklift, Bondfast has found a way to tackle these losses, all the while taking a major step into the future of property management.